Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to handle Shopify refunds and returns. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to our Shopify account. So go to shopify.com, log into your account, and open up your store. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to our orders. So at the left panel here, go ahead and click on orders. Now in this case, there are two ways for you to give a refund or get returns. In this case, we have the first unfulfilled item here. Let's go ahead and click on that order. Now for items that are already paid, you should be able to see this UI here, but currently it is still unfulfilled and we haven't shipped the product itself to the customer. In this case, in this stage, you could actually process a refund. So you can go and click on refund at the top right of your screen, and from here you need to choose the item. So in this case, you could go ahead and indicate the item itself. And from here, you could go ahead and indicate or manually indicate the refund. Like for example, customer was not satisfied, or you could just specify that broken item. In this case, you could go ahead and click on refund here, and that would actually initiate a refund. Now in this case, the refund itself would actually give or the funds or the money that the customer actually used. Like for example, they use a card. The money will then be redirected or rerouted again back into the original payment method of the customer itself. So make sure that you notify them that the money will return into the original payment method. But if you've actually manually received the money or in payment, then you might need to proceed on giving them directly the money or in other means. Now in this case, that's how you initiate a refund. Now, what if you want to initiate a return? Now, this is usually the return process is for fulfilled items. Now, at the top right of the order itself, at the top right of the screen, go ahead and click on return here. And from here, you need to specify the item. So, for example, you want to indicate one here since we want to indicate that this is the item that we want to return. And in this case, we also need to indicate the reason why we want to, why it's actually being returned. Now, maybe I want to say customer changed their mind. Now, in this case, if you want to add products as an exchange, you can go and click on add products here and choose whatever here as an exchange for that product itself. But in this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and just click on the create return option here. And if you have like tracking numbers or shipping carry here, you could also indicate that in this case. In this case, you could go and click on create return here to return that. But in this case, you need to enter your tracking information here just to make sure that you'll get the item again. Now in this case, you could choose no shipping required here if it's the digital product. In this case, yeah, so that's about it. So it's actually pretty simple handling different refunds and returns, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.